What's up guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making homemade ice cream cake. This is a great recipe for, usually you buy your ice cream cakes from the store, but this is so much better and it's actually not that hard to do. It's pretty quick and perfect for any of your parties or if you just want an ice cream cake. And this one is going to be sea salt caramel cookie kinda ice cream cake, but you can replace any of our ice cream flavors with any flavor of your choice. Before we start this video, make sure that you leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and check out the links in the description, and also check out some of our past videos that we've done.
Okay, let's get started. First, we need to crush the cookies to make the crust. So I just bought generic Oreo cookies, and so I'm gonna just break them with this and use the rolling pin. Then I'm gonna spray the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan, probably like the sides and the bottom. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, so you want to put your crushed cookies into a bowl and then add a stick of melted butter. Pour it into the 9-inch springform pan. So that's all you do for the crust. You don't bake it or anything like that. Okay, we're gonna start out with the mousse tracks. You need a half a gallon of ice cream, and I've had it sitting out for a little while, letting it thaw a little bit. So I'm going to try to spread it on here, and then we'll do our caramel and chocolate in the middle. Okay, we got our first layer of our mousse tracks, and now I'm going to add some caramel and hot fudge in the middle. So I had these in the fridge, so I warmed them up in the microwave. Kind of get a layer of the hot fudge in the middle. Some caramel. I'm going to put this in the freezer and let it freeze back a little bit before I put the next layer on. Put this in the freezer for about a half hour. Okay, we're back with you to put our second layer of ice cream on, or cake, and you can use any flavor ice cream you want. For this one we have the mousse tracks and the sea salt caramel. We've got the chocolate in the middle. This is pretty melted, so we're gonna just put it on top. Ooh, it's really melted, but it'll freeze back. Then we're ready to put our chocolate and caramel on top. Just gonna do some chocolate. I got the squirt kind this time. Then we're just gonna do some caramel. Probably be more creative than I am with that stuff. Then I've got some chocolate whipped cream I'm going to put on it. This is my first time using chocolate whipped cream, so I'm a little scared. Okay, put this in the freezer as fast as you can.
Okay guys, that was it for the ice cream cake video. We hope you guys enjoyed. We're not going to be trying it tonight since it has to freeze overnight before you can eat it. I'm sure it'll be great and taste great, and we hope that you guys like it too. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and check out some of the links in the description, and we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Well, good luck. I always start with the big yee-haw. Just take out your frustrations. Just pretend this is the face of my worst enemies. So delicious. I could just drink this with a straw. Got the squirt kind this time, because the jar kind was so 20 minutes ago. Okay, put this in the freezer as fast as you can. I hope we got room for it.